The three-time Grammy Award-winning Sounds of Blackness are back with an amazing anthem of the movement of today, Sick and Tired. Inspired by 400 years of systematic injustice, inequality, and inhumanity that continues today, the Sounds of Blackness singers and band express the perpetual pain and rage of Black people. In the words of the great Fannie Lou Hamer, "I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired." Several of the Sounds of Blackness amazing soloists are featured on this life-changing track, including the unmistakable voice of Jamecia Bennett, who also directed the Sick and Tired video. Sounds of Blackness once again have as their special guest HSRA High School for Recording Arts. The song, written and produced by Sounds music director Gary Hines, also recorded at HSRA in St. Paul. Sick and Tired goes to radio during Black Music Month on June 19th, 2020, Juneteenth, and will be available at all online outlets July 1st. The Sounds of Blackness also will donate a portion of the proceeds to the George Floyd Scholarship Fund. For further information, contact Gary Hines, music director producer, gdennismusic at AOL.com. Brent Harris, manager, KBMGT at AOL.com. And I'm Lorrie Lean.